Mama does up with her baby, drinking water out of the bird feeder. Bird waterer, I'm sorry. So the baby gonna get a drink too. We're coming around there to the feeder, trying to pick up some of that corn. It just went off a little while ago, so. I'm not gonna stay up there long. I guess they decided not to stick around long this afternoon. I'll head on back off, but they may be up later. We'll go get another feed block tomorrow and put it out. Usually they'll stay in here a bit longer with the feed block. Hey, if y'all liking this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share the video, leave me a comment. It would help the channel out. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.